Welcome back to everyone to OBINexus. Today I'm going to speak about computing and AI model development. At OBINexus, we strive to do everything from the heart. If you don't know, now you know. Everything is with human touch and human precision. First, OB means heart, and Nexus means connection. OB is heart in Igbo, and Nexus means connection to two or more things. OBInexus has a range of services. Today, I want to describe one new innovation called the OBInexus AI system for AI OBInexus AI system uh, for OBInexus architecture and OBInexus tooling. In this video, we want to explore the concepts of the AI black box, in depth, without bias. You wait for it. The idea of the OBInexus AI system is to make sure that when we build AIs, we ensure that we are building it for with human. We're building it uh, for humans by humans. The idea, this although oh, sorry, one key problem in AI development is AI information processing done by AI. How for information played by AI. Well, in opening this computing, we have a formal proof to open this box, the black box in the AI model systems. But we have have a formal proof, or which I created, to be tested, um, for real life AI systems. Although the proof of concept is still in development, the proof of concept is still in development. I feel I want to share with the masses how we develop AI systems at OBINexus and its branch of services, the computing branch of services, OBInexus Computing. Um, first, um, first, we have a formal proof, mathematical proof that you can look at. We explain the logic behind it. You can find out how to follow along. This proof is still at the paper store and the OBInexus.org website. This OOP is about revolutionizing AI technology, from showing that black box and opening it to understand what the AI model is really thinking. Not thinking, what is really processing, how it processes the information and recognizes patterns in data. Um, so what is the OBIAI model we're building? The OBIAI model is a model that solves all these problems in AI, and really we want to open that box, strip away that box, so we understand that AI system. It's going to be used on the OBInexus.org website to handle sales, marketing, no, login issues, and forgetting password. Or if you need human assistance, it will take you to our human assistants, me and others on OBInexus Computing, who are live with you on that site, waiting for requests if the AI cannot resolve it. We want to do is write the OBInexus. I want to open this box. AI models we are biased are just traditional AI models. We remodeled, we changed, we upgraded and changed. Well, I upgraded and we taught AI from the top down to the bottom, from the theory to the practical use. Let's start now. AI, traditional AI are naturally biased. AI, whether it's bottom up or top down. Let me give you an example. If you have an AI model and you feed it and you have the data is what you want to feed it, the input, and then you put that data in and you give it an output. The more data you give it, the more patterns it learns from that data to give you the corresponding output. This is unclean with the bottom approach in building an AI model, or not done right, or not filtered. It's the AI will be naturally biased. Naturally biased. Two, introducing AI models. Data preparation and cleaning is handled unless we have a system. But if you have a system where and top-down model for initial AI models, and we have a top-down approach where the AI is built first, and then fed in patterns. Then it can then filter it that way to give you an output. We at OBIAI do things differently, a bit differently. First of all, the OBIS the OBI Heart AI system is gonna be on the OBIAI's website. Again, I'm gonna repeat that. It's gonna we want you to be able to do sales with OBIAX's team, OBIAX people, OBIAX's customers and so customers and consumers, but we're not consuming OBIAX's customers. The goal here of having the AI is to our goal is to slowly integrate features to make sales. Maybe to make sales automatic for partnerships. Um, well, but like as the system grows in complexity and more authors more businesses want to buy or individuals want to buy, because yes, because OBIAXus has three main OBIAXus computing and has three main ways to do stuff. Single licenses. You use one, you get the documentation, you get everything you need all in one, and you just use it. You're just yourself, individual. Then you have business licenses. You get support and documentation. Well, support from business support, and you get documentation and you use it, and you get help, and you get the enterprises who have um two yes, you got the premium users too who have um who have a subscription service too, like a subscription model too for partnerships. That's what it is really. There's two subscription models if you really want to visit into OBIAX's AI systems. Now, let me give you an anecdotal example. These systems are somewhere in America. I can't remember when. Long time ago, with those deals in America when an AI model sold a car for $1. A car. It was a Lamborghini or Rolls Royce. I don't know. It was on the news as well, and it was a legal matter that has to be pursued because the AI was making a mistake, and a lot of people the AI was to make sales. We want to get that right. Open computing. The goal here is any business goal here is partnership. So I really need to invest in this technology. So what we're trying to do at OBIAXus is build an AI model that allows businesses make sales, allows like it's just a sales. It has other applications too, but it's like a way. It's more of a experimental system. It's meant to be an AI assistant and an AI agent too. So here we're gonna open the box now. So this is how the OBIAX's AI works from theory to practice. At OBIAX's AI, the Bayesian the Bayesian network is core at the core of the OBIAX's AI. It's at the heart of the yes. Our model, my model on and theory states that uh, for data, when data bottom or top down is when creating the model, when fed into the data, when it is feeding the data through either reinforcement learning, that's input to output, output to input, traditional methods like standard methods, not traditional, standard method of machine learning practices, and use of data structures like algorithm of KNN clustering of data, and uh, and all of that. My three states is a probability model is what's it? We use a probability model instead of to map out the data. So that's a probability graph known as a Bayesian network to have a large language model too. The benefits for this have a severe impacts. We demonstrate in the proof of concept and show using this model, which is you can show too, how the Bayesian network does it, and other ambiguous not mentioned in this video. We want to create a map of the data, not just recognize patterns in the data. Our goal here is to create a map of the data, like dots of points of data, to ensure integrity and integrity of the data. We want to map out the data. When you buy the formal proof, you get a proof of concept too. Okay. Of the data unbiasing algorithm. And you want to demonstrate we'll demonstrate how the AI module handles data. And this is what the OBIAIs are meant to do from 3 to Paxons. And this proof is very mathematical and rigorous. So take the time to consume it. This can be used to demography unbiased data too. And implications are enormous in the health and financial industry, like detection of cancer detection, in demographics. We are not really trying to change the way nature of AI is made. We're trying to innovate AI systems to open that box. How do AI process data? In the proof of concept, you will learn about from theory to practice using the examples. You learn about how to make your AI infrastructure. Also, I'll give you. Let me say, you have AI infrastructures, but what I can give you now is that AI components can be modular too. Take for example, a large language model with an accessibility feature. The goal of the large language model is to, well, text data and refine it, help the user understand. But if the person can talk, they can talk, innit? They can talk. They can talk. And the idea of this is to have extensible components of the group of the AI component systems and make them modular and reusable and extensible to you have a full working product. Each feature is critical about what they do. Like the accessibility, if it's a language model, it's an accessibility feature to have a voice interaction, a voice chat. And this AI system is scalable too, robust and easy to debug, especially when we try to investigate the box. We open the box, see what you went wrong, see why it's acting the way it does. So from text chat to voice chat, from voice chat to, well, you know what, robotics, robotic systems that interact engage like AI is meant to be. We're trying to see whether it's AI calculation or AI artificial intelligence. What is actually artificial intelligence? Because some of us believe that AI is just calculating. It's calculating just by its own systems and taking shortcuts in traditional models. Take mental shortcuts. Like take for example, a basketball shooter. Yeah, a robotic system can just make a shot to a basketball net, and when the shot it misses, and it's to recalculate or what is known as thinking. Uh, so to some humans, but it's about refining the algorithm to make sure that whether the AI is actually calculating or intelligent. our goal is not to dismiss traditional AI principles. In fact, we're going to innovate to ensure that AI systems are coherent and do what they do. Meant to do what they do. We're meant to stripping away simple. We're doing ways step by step, bit by bit. So if you when the OBIAI is available, it will be at the OBINexus.org computing store, OBINexus.org, and the services, and it will also be on the payhip.com/OBINexus store. So takeaways today. We are trying to innovate and use traditional AI algorithms, to form better AIs, but using a different theory to ground theory that's more human friendly, human sensitive, for those who care about AI regulation and practices and being human. So that's all for now. Thank you. My name is Namdi, and subscribe to all my social media, TikTok at OBINexus, and all the others. Thank you and goodbye. See you later. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe.